Assalamualaikum guys, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will tell you how you can download some essential plugins and themes in your WordPress. So here I open Chrome, and first of all you have to simply open your dashboard page. After that, you can see on your left hand side there is an option of plugins. You have to come in plugins and then press install plugins. After that, you have to press add plugin button. Now, you can see there is a search option. You have to write over here Elementor and wait till it is loading. After loading, you have to press install now button and wait till it is installing. After that I will tell you what to do. So now it is installed. You can see now you have to press activate button and wait till it is activating. Now you have to again press add plugin button and after that just wait. You have to press search button and right over here elements kit simply. Okay, and after that wait till it is loading. Then you have to just press install now button and wait till it is installing. After that you can see there is written installed. Now you have to press activate button and wait till it is activating. Now you have to again press add plugin button and after pressing it you have to come in search button and simply write over here Ocean Extra and wait till it is loading, and after that you have to press install now and wait till it is installing. Now it is installed and press activate button. It is being activating. After that you have to come in appearance and press themes button. Okay, and now you can see there is written add theme. You have to press add theme button and now you can see there is written search theme. You have to write Ocean WP and wait till it is loading. After that when it is loading, you have to just download and activate simply just as previous one, and then again come back in you now you have to come in settings button. Okay, after coming in settings button, now you can just change your site title. I am not gonna change it at all. It should be my blog. Now you have to come in appearance and press uh, themes button. After coming in themes, just wait till it is loading. Now you have to press customize button. Now we are gonna customize a theme. Okay, now you can see there are multiple options. You have to come in top bar option. Okay, and now you can change the background and border type. I'm not gonna change it at all. Now you have to come in header, and after coming in header you have to come in logo, and now you can add an logo over here. Now I can upload some logos over here. For example, I'm gonna upload this logo over here. Now wait till it is uploading. After that you have to press select button. Now you have to press skip cropping, and after that you can see your logo is being loaded on the header. Now you have to just scroll down simply and you can change the maximum width of your logo. For example, I think 70 is okay for the maximum width. After that you have to again go back and press. Now again go back and you have to come in top bar. Now come in content. After scrolling down, now you can change your content from here. For example, you can write your site name. Now I have write over here site name. Now you have to again go back and you have to now press. Now you have to simply scroll down and now press site identity. Now you have to select site icon. So I have select this icon and press skip cropping. Now after this you have to press the publish button. Now wait till it is publishing. After that you have to open a new tab and now search your page. Let's see whatever we have done. Now you can see what we have done. It is shown publicly. If you like the video, so do not forget to subscribe the channel.